Hello there, welcome. And in today's video, we will be talking about data preparation. So let's get started. Complete consolidation process typically starts with preparatory steps such as setting global parameters, checking the master data of your organizational units and financial statement items, and specify exchange rates. After that, you can proceed with collecting data reported by consolidation units and standardizing the data with features available in the data monitor. When the data is ready for consolidation, go to the consolidation monitor to perform the consolidation tasks such as various inter-unit eliminations and data validations. Group reporting uses two monitors, data monitor and cons monitor. The monitors are used to open and close the period, provide process control, run and schedule month-end closing tasks, ensure a logical sequence and data consistency, provide a one-stop shop launchpad for all closing activities. There are four ways to collect data acquisition in general for SAP group reporting, which is first integrated approach. Your local accounting takes place in the same SAP S/4HANA system. Consolidation reads data dynamically from accounting into group reporting. Central Finance can provide an integrated approach for non-SAP. Second, API. You are using an SAP or non-SAP accounting system. You can send your accounting data to group reporting via an API. Third, file upload. You generate a flat file from your accounting system and upload the file into group reporting. You will in an Excel sheet and upload it as flat file. 4. Group reporting data collection GRDC. You provide data entry forms to your subsidiary to submit financial data. You enrich automatically provided data via mapping options. The key points of data release are: release the data for the current period, release the new data, delta versus the prior release for the current period, data from prior periods without release, what is the unreleased data from prior period which can cause inconsistency between accounting and group reporting. This could be used to identify prior period restatement entries. Use this data, it must be released in the period that it was posted. The key points of upload financial data are: flat file imports are a quick and easy way to access non-SAP S/4HANA or test data. You have several points with flexible upload. Import periodic or YTD data. Import one or multiple periods. Import one or multiple consolidation units. Update mode options for importing updated source files. The source files for the class does not include annual net income or current year's retained earnings. Therefore, the calculate net income task should be run after the import. It is interactive by clicking on blue hyperlinks or using the search features. The search features let you filter the log to a particular cons unit or cons group. You can change the display of the log format using the settings option. Clicking on a hyperlink will take you to the group reporting entry in ACDoc-U that represents the amount where you can look at the additional details. Logs can also be reported to Excel for analysis. The numbers next to the cons unit or cons group represents the number of messages in the log related to that cons unit or cons group. Messages can be informational, warnings, or errors, and are helpful in diagnosing root cause issues with the data if needed. In SAP S/4HANA Finance for group reporting, GRDC apps replace all kinds of spreadsheets and email-driven processes, hence covering data collection and mapping scenarios for financial consolidation, statutory reporting, budgeting and forecasting, margin controlling, risk management, strategy management, tax filing and reporting. App is hosted on the SAP Cloud Platform and relies on data such as master data and allowed breakdown categories from SAP S/4HANA. GRDC is developed in SAP Business Technology Platform and is integrated with SAP HANA Group Reporting Cloud and on-premise versions. It collects consolidation data from both SAP S/4HANA and non-SAP S/4HANA companies. It complements your data collection process via manual data collection and data mapping capabilities, and the release schedule is bi-weekly. GRDC is the set of apps in SAP S/4HANA Finance for group reporting that are designed for the decentralized manual collection of heterogeneous and supplemental data along corporate structure, the transformation and load of data in AC.U either from an external ERP system or from the AC.A table. GRDC includes two main feature sets. First, manual data collection. Second, data mapping. As you can see in the image, sources include accounting and CSV file from any system. Then, mapping definitions are uploaded from Microsoft Excel, and then transformed data is loaded into consolidation table, which is AC.U. Let's talk about document types and posting levels. Posting levels and document types provide the ultimate audit trail. Posting levels display origin of data in your consolidation reports. Document types are more detailed than posting levels and are used to determine document numbers which capture posting dates, users, and so forth. Document types identify the type and the source of data. For example, reported data is stored on different document types than elimination data. Document types are used in various consolidation settings, tasks, and reports. The system creates documents for all data records in the system. Document types are off the shelves and you can create your own. Document types are assigned to document number range. Journal entries. Group journal entries are the consolidation-specific journal entries used to correct, standardize, or consolidate reported financial data to the requirements of the group. In the posting, you use different document types to fulfill these purposes. Group reporting entries are typically used to book one-time standardizing adjustment in the posting level 10 to meet group accounting standards, record group share data at posting level 30. Group journal entries can be uploaded via the Import Journal Entries app. Use validations and substitution rules to ensure data integrity. Display Group Journal Entries app. You can display line items of posting documents without any reporting logic. Cons unit, profit center, and segment hierarchy are not required. The cons unit, profit centers, and segment elimination entries are not included in the output. Display group journal entries with reporting logic application. You can display line items of posting documents with reporting logic. Cons unit, profit center, and segment hierarchies are required. The consolidation unit, profit center, and segment elimination entries are included in the output. The report logic is used to dynamically display elimination entries values by applying the first common parent concept to hierarchies selected at runtime. Mass reversal. You can reverse individual journal entries by selecting the journal to be reversed and choosing reverse. The system reverses the journal entry and uploads the records in the database. You can also reverse multiple journal entries, also called documents, in the mass reversal application. While doing so, you select and reverse manually posted documents by various criteria, for example, for organizational unit, version, time, task, or sub-assignment. In order to increase efficiency in your manual journal postings, in situations where the same group dependent manual journal should be valid in multiple consolidation groups, you can create manual journals with multiple consolidation groups. For every selected consolidation group, separate documents are posted. To track these documents, the system assigns a document bundle number to every group journal entry, which posts to multiple consolidation groups. You can use the document bundle number for the reversal process, and you can also filter the document bundle number in the Post Group Journal Entries app and in the Display Group Journal and Entries app. This allows you to search for the corresponding bundle based on this number. About currency translation concepts. In some cases, customers are performing currency translation for non-historical balance sheet accounts into group currency in SAP S/4HANA Finance. In this case, the data can be released into group reporting without any translation. From a traditional currency translation perspective, all entries send their trial balances to corporate at month end. Currency translation converts local currency values into group currency values when appropriate. Average and ending exchange rates are applied to different type of accounts. Say for profit and loss items at average, balance sheet at closing, or ending rates. Currency translation adjustments are normally handled in two ways. Post to original FS item for non-historical items. Post to separate FS item such as currency translation adjustment for historical and income related. Existing source system group currency values can be used by group reporting without any retranslation. Currency translation adjustments for non-historical items is posted to the original items with a unique CTA transaction type. CTA for historic and income related items is posted to CTA FS item with a unique CTA transaction type. Exchange rates are stored in traditional transaction currency tables. Group reporting currency translation is a flexible and adaptable solution. There is increased consolidation efficiency and automation when working with multiple group currencies or multiple currency translations. For example, for translation at constant currency rates for comparison reporting, you can generate multiple group currencies in a single closing process and configure multiple extension versions to the main standard version, which can each carry an additional group currency or additional translation. Produce these multiple group currencies or translation in a single closing process while processing the standard version in the data and consolidation monitor, with no need to copy reported data across versions. Allow posting of manual journals in several group currencies at the same time, keeping the multiple group currencies values in columns with the same bundled journal entry. You can use new version types of consolidate simultaneously in multiple group currencies and or using different translations. Standard version stores all currencies, local currency, transaction currency, group currency, and quantities. Global currencies extension version stores additional group currencies. Extension version stores group currencies with different translation. The reference version defines the base version. The standard version drives the process, task execution, task status, and task logs. The standard versions and The related group currency extension versions can use different exchange rates or currency translation methods. When the local currency of the consolidation unit is the same as the group currency of a GC extension version, the local currency value are copied to the group currency values in this version by executing the currency translation task. When you post a journal entry in a standard version, you can select the extension versions you also want to post to. Columns are added to the post group journal values in extension versions, and a document is created in each version with a unique bundle document number. This number can be used as a filter or sort criteria. When you copy or reverse bundle document, all documents with the same document bundle number are also copied or reversed. Thank you.